To add members to the board, in the left-hand navigation of the board, you'll see a section called Members. By default, you will see how many members are on this board with a little indication here. And on the top, you can also see the members on this board right next to the board name. So click on Members to enter the Members section. By default, the first view you see the members of the board. So we have 2 members on this board. If I'd like to add new members from existing accounts, I can click on Add Members here, and then simply just add a new user. Okay, once I do that, they will be in the members list. You can then edit their permissions over here in this menu. Click on Edit Permissions. The default permission level they have when they're added to the board is board member. So that's basically they can create tasks, they can edit, they can move tasks, and delete tasks that they create. We also have an administrator view, of course, where they can do all of those things to everybody's tasks, and I can also manage board settings. We have a restricted view where it's basically read-only, but you can still create your own tasks and edit your own tasks. And then we have a full read-only view. So you can go ahead and change permission here. You can also make somebody else a board owner by clicking that same menu, and you can make that person an owner. To remove the user, just click Remove, and they'll be removed from the board. If you don't see the member that you're looking for when you go to add the member, you can invite new users in the top right-hand corner.